Today we will learn about the image tag and source attribute, table and form tag, using width, height, and all attributes. Using horizontal roles in HTML. The image tag and source attribute. The img tag is used to embed images in an HTML document. It has two required attributes, circ and all. The S or C attribute specifies the URL of the image, while the all attribute provides a text description of the image for users who cannot see it. It is important to always include an all attribute with your image. Tags, as it helps with accessibility and also improves SEO. Additionally, you can use the width and height attributes to specify the size of the image on the page. Table and form tag. The table tag is used to create tables in HTML. Tables are useful for displaying data in an organized way. You can use the TR. Table row and TD table data tags to define the structure of the table. The form tag is used to create forms in HTML. Forms allow users to input data, which can then be submitted to a server for processing. You can use various form elements like input fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down menus to create different types of forms using width, height, and all attributes. The width and height attributes are used to specify the size of an image in HTML. You can set them to specific pixel values or use percentages to make images responsive to different screen sizes. The all attribute is used to provide a text description of an image for users who cannot see it. It is important to always include an all attribute with your image tags, as it helps with accessibility and also improves SEO. You can customize the appearance of the horizontal role. Using CSS, for example, you can change the color, thickness, and style of the line. Using horizontal roles in HTML. The HR tag is used to insert a horizontal role in HTML. It is typically used to separate content into different sections or to indicate a change in topic. You can customize the appearance of the horizontal role. Using CSS, for example, you can change the color, thickness, and style of the line. Using horizontal roles in HTML. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.